students, in this video we will do more complex questions on factorize using the difference between two squares. So I am saying about which identity you can easily judge. It is a square minus b square. Okay, I am using purple pen. So a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. I have already told you that a square minus b square can be written in terms of a minus b into a plus b, which are in both separate brackets, and their places can be changed. If we change the place, then final answer won't change. Okay, please keep in your mind, final answer won't change. Okay, so you can write a minus b into a plus b or a plus b into a minus b. Clear? But uh, whatever quantity is common, that should come first. Always remember, that should come first because you are taking them as a common. Okay, so now we are doing questions on this. First question is 3x plus 2 whole square minus 9. As you know, 3x plus 2 whole square, this will become first term. Okay, so this is our first term and 9 will be our second term. And now we will try to think whether it will come in the form of a square minus b square. So yes, it can come in the form of, how it is? If we let 3x plus 2 is equals to a, okay, so it will become a square and 9 can be represented as 3 square. Okay, so a is 3x plus 2, a is 3x plus 2 and b is only 3. So just write in your formula. So what we will see, what are a and b? A and b are the keys. A and b are the keys. Now you are writing in your formula, which is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is equals to a minus b and a plus b. So first we are writing a, so this is a, and plus b means b is 3. So 3x plus 2 plus 3. As you know, 3x plus 2 plus 3, these are like terms. So they will become, add up, we get 5. So 3x plus 5. In another bracket, it is a minus b. So 3x plus 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So this is 3x minus 1. So our final answer will be 3x plus 5 in one bracket and 3x minus 1 in another bracket. This is our simplified form. Okay. Next, x plus 2 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square. So what is a in this? A is x plus 2. What is b? X minus 1. So these are known as the keys. Now put in your formula. So first we are doing plus. So x plus 2 plus x minus 1. Okay, and next is x plus 2 minus. So what, just I am explaining you here. See here, x plus 2 in one bracket minus x minus 1. Okay, now when this bracket will open, so this minus will be multiplied by both quantities. So our answer will become x plus 2 minus x plus 1. Now take like terms, so this will cut and we get only 3. So like this I have simplified it, 3 into 2x plus 1. Next, x plus 1 whole square minus 4. So as you know, 4 can be written as 2 whole square. So what is a inside it? A is x plus 1 and b is 2. What are a or b known as? They are known as keys. Whether it is important to write, yes, it is very important to write keys for understanding, or your answer should be correct. Every time you will get correct answer. Okay, so just check it, what are keys. So here keys are x plus 1 and 2. Now put in your formula. So a minus b or a plus b and a minus b. So this is x plus 1 plus 2 and in another bracket x plus 1 minus 2. So final answer will be x plus 3 into x minus 1. Clear? Now I am doing question number 4. 9x square. So 9x square, as you know already, 9 can be written as 3 whole square. So if it is 9x square, so we can write 3x whole square. Okay, and 3 minus x whole square will be as it is. Now check it, what is a? So a is 3x and b is 3 minus x. So now put in formula a minus b, a plus b, or a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so 3x a plus a minus b plus 3 minus x. Okay, so this is known as a plus b, and this is a minus b. Whenever minus sign will come, all the remaining quantity will be multiplied by minus, so their sign will become different. Now take like terms, so 2x plus 3 as well as 4x minus 3. Now see here, next 4x square minus 2x plus 3 whole square. 4x can be written as 2x whole square. 2x plus 3 as it is. What is a? A is 2x. What is b? B is 2x plus 3. Write these quantities in a plus b into a minus b. So this will become plus. So we get 4x plus 3, and 2x and 2x, they will subtract, so we get only minus 3. Since it is minus 3, so take it as a outside of bracket. Okay, this will be helpful to you, because if we write behind of 4x plus 3, so there are less chances that it is visible. Okay, but if it come out of the bracket, then it is more visible. See here, what is the difference between these two? So minus 3 multiplied by 4x plus 3 will be your final answer. Next question, 2x plus 1 whole square minus x minus 2 whole square. Okay, so here we can't able to write further simplification, so it is already will work as a and b. So just write in words a plus b and a minus b. So these are like terms. So this will become 3x minus 1, as well as this will subtracted. So this is x plus 3. So your final answer will be 3x minus 1 into x plus 3. Now I'm doing question number 7 and question number 8. Both questions are most important. Okay, so do practice of these types of sums. It is x square minus 11. Okay, as you know, 11 is a prime number. Okay, so since 11 is a prime number, so there are it has no factors except 1. Okay, so we are not able to write it or factorize it further. But as I have already explained you that x can be written as root x whole square. Okay, x can be represented as root x whole square. Why it is so? Because if we simplify root x whole square, so root x means x raised to the power 1 by 2, and 2 means whole raised to the power 2. Now apply exponent rule, so this will become x raised to the power 1 by 2 into 2. 2 and 2 will be cut, and we get x, and this x is the same as LHS. This is our LHS, and what we are doing, we are simplifying RHS. So through simplification of RHS, we are getting LHS. So it means x can be written as root x whole square. Just just learn this thing. Learn this thing. X can be written as root x whole square. Okay. And instead of x, you can put anything. If it is 11, so 11 can be written as root 11 whole square. Okay. So what is a here? A is x. What is b? Root x. Now write in form of a minus b, a plus b. So this is x minus root 11, and this is x plus root 11. Clear? Next question, x plus 3 whole square minus 5. So again, 5 is a prime number. 5 has no factor other than 1. It can't be factorized further, but it can come in the form of root 5 whole square. So what is a here? A is x plus 3 and b is root 5. Now write your a and b in terms of a plus b, a minus b. So this will become x plus 3 plus root 5, x plus 3 minus root 5. Why we are not adding, why we are not subtracting? Because they are not like terms. Okay, root 5 and 3. 3 is counting number and root 5 can be represented as, it is irrational number. Okay, so these we have to leave it as it is, means x plus 3 plus root 5 and x plus 3 minus root 5. This will be your final answer. Okay, so this is all about of this video, and these questions are good questions, so do practice of these questions. Just you have to remember that first you have to write keys. Okay, then step by step whatever identity you are using, just mention it there. It is very important. You will get good marks if you mention your identity. Okay, and do cautiously plus and minus and write your final answer in simplified form. So here I have given you some important things which you have to keep in your mind. First, check which identity is required. Okay, which identity is required, because as you know, it may be a square minus b square, a minus b whole square, as well as a plus b whole square. Write identity every time. Okay, write your keys in form of a and b. Okay, when you will write your keys, so just only one thing is remaining. You have to write your formula in terms of a and b. Write your final answer in simplified form. Okay, this is fourth one. So what you have to remember, identity every time, write every time, keys, and your answer should be in simplified form. Clear? Okay, hope this video will help you. Bye bye.